Hi, thanks for checking out our channel and another one of our videos. This is going to be, hopefully, cross our fingers and our eyeballs, and we'll see if this is a how-to repair video. It's on an old Gallagher Snell, which is just a distributor for Gallagher back in the good old days. Electric Fence Charger, a MPE2. Old school unit from like the 1980s. Not very stout unit. I mean, they're strong enough for what they're designed to do, but they're like a 2 joule unit, give it to 3 joule maybe, somewhere in that range. So we're going to take a look at it here, and we'll see what kind of magic we can work on it. This came from a customer, Kansas. Not close by, way down southeast or southwest Kansas, looks like, based on their zip code and area code. Okay, well, looks like it's got a newer capacitor in it, because that's not factory, but that's the right one to go in there. It's a Gallagher capacitor too. There's a sticker on here, about to come off. Had the date on there at the bottom, but can't frickin' read it. Yeah, output voltage no load, 4.4 kV. Output with the 500 ohm load, 3.2 kV. So between unloaded and loaded, it loses about 1,000 volts, which is pretty good. But like I said, it's only 4.4 kV, and usually we can get them about 5-ish, maybe 6-ish once we get done with them. That might be the issue right there, I don't know. Well, let's plug it in and see what the heck it does. Now what should happen, these lights should come on. They're typically green, but that's the color that came from the factory. These are green neon bulbs here. There's the little red one that should flash with every click. And plugging it in. Alright, it's clicking kind of fast. Oop. I see a problem already. Alright, watch like right down in here. It's not showing up. There it is. You can kind of see it right down there. It's arcing. Bad solder joint on right there. Bad solder joint right there. What is that? That's a resistor. Okay, well let's see if I got another resistor first before we desolder and try to redo that one. Let's see if I got another one real quick. Alright, this is a 27 ohm resistor, I believe. And we've got a 27.5 ohm. So that's what we're going to put in place of that one. Because that solder joint being kind of burnt right there. Being burnt right there. And we can clean that up, solder back in, but it might end up doing it all over again. So let's just put a new one in its place. I'll probably make a new hole to solder that to run the leads through, because I don't, burnt up connections and stuff don't really work for electricity to flow through. So we'll just pull the old resistor off. Probably good. Drill, and we'll get a small drill bit. let's put the hole right there. Ooh, this lead's a little bit bigger around than the last one was, so we'll have to make this. Alright, so we'll put one lead there, one lead in the new hole. Come on. I don't think that half an ohm difference is going to make that big of a difference with how it runs. Let's that one's done. Let's put this back through. Push that lead over there. And we'll solder on here. Come on. Trying to make it flow. All right. Okay. Alright, let's see what it does now. See, it slows it down some because it was clicking pretty fast. That's a lot better. So, that's pretty stable. So, it's bad solder joint. Oh. Something's arcing underneath. Watch down inside that area down there. Something's arcing somewhere. I can't see it in the video, but I can see it in person. And I can see it from the top side now too. Okay, let's pull this board off. Come on. See how that's burnt up right there? It's burnt up right there too. So sometimes we can take a pair of cutters, actually cut that crap off there, break it up some, and then take a Dremel tool and really clean it. Alright, let me spray a little stuff on there. Okay, we're going to have to probably have to get rid of this one. This one's burnt basically all the way through. We'll have to come up with another way to solder a wire or something. Let's see. I had some wire over here. Oh man. Okay, here it is. There's a wire. Alright, what we're gonna do, that's your ground side, you need that side to work and connect. So we're going to take this 1/4 inch standard size spade connector, take that tab right there, bend it semi straight, plug this on right here. Oops. And then I'll drill a hole or something like that, probably right here, run this wire up through there, and we'll solder either right there on the side of that thing right there. But let's get drill like a small pilot hole like right here. See, the wire fits through there. Oh, too small. Alright. I don't want to go too big, but I want to go big enough. So you can use that for something. Alright. Let's... Oh, I need to desolder and pull that one off first, so that way it's not connecting anymore and it's not arcing anymore. All that fun stuff. So now that one's gone. See, it's all gone. Clean up the... Let me take a pair of cutters here or something. I'm going to cut that off out of there. Get that burnt spot completely gone. Let's change it. The bulb was red and was flashing, but you can see it's burning out. So while we got it here, let's just put a new light bulb in there. So let me get the desolder. We'll pull that board out. Come on. Ow, fuck. New bulb. Alright, I'll shove this wire through right here. So I'm going to cut off what I don't need here in a minute, but I'm going to get this there. something like that. Alright, let's put some solder on the side of this tab thing right here. But I want to get the transformer plugged in there first because I don't want to put, it heat up too much and get crap on this transformer itself and get stuck in there. Come on, stick to it. Alright, now I want to stick to it. Now let's try. It's probably got a film on it or something. Had to get to actually bare metal. There it goes. Okay, that's what it was. All right, add a little solder here. Alright, now let's try it again. Turn power on. $5,000 volts. Okay, I think we were good to go. Alright, so we're going to call this one good. Call the customer up, give them a quote. It's a nice cheap fix. I'm sure they'll fix it. So, alright, well that's it for this little video. It took a little bit to fix, but hey, a new one's over $200, so this was a nice cheap fix. By $225, $250 now for a 3.5, 4 joule unit that's out nowadays for Gallagher. Maybe, yeah, it's probably 3.5, 4 joule unit nowadays. That would be comparable, and they're over $200 for those. So $250, probably $270. Send it on in. Let me fix it for you.